In this module, we will discuss about polygons. ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ. Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Starting with the definition of simple open curves and simple closed curves, we shall discuss about polygons. Curve. A figure traced out on a plane surface with the help of a sharp pencil without lifting it is called a curve. Open curves. A curve that does not end at the starting point is called an open curve. Closed curve. A curve that begins and ends at the same point is called a closed curve. Simple closed curves. A closed curve which does not intersect itself is called a simple closed curve. Now we will discuss about polygons. A simple closed curve made up of only line segments is called a polygon. And each straight line in a polygon is called its side. Now, types of polygons. Polygons can be divided into three parts. First, type of polygons according to sides. Second, type of polygons according to angle. And third one is types of polygons according to side and angles. Let me discuss the first type, types of polygon according to side. A polygon made up of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 sides is called triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon and decagon respectively. And next, types of polygon according to angles. There are two types of polygons, concave polygon and convex polygon. A polygon in which at least one angle is more than 180 degree is called a concave polygon, as shown in figure. And on other hand, a polygon in which each angle is less than 180 degree is called a convex polygon, as shown in figure. Next is type of polygon according to sides and angles. Regular polygon and irregular polygon. A polygon having all sides equal and all angles equal is called a regular polygon. For example, equilateral triangle and a square. On other hand, polygons which are not regular are called irregular polygons. For example, rectangle, rhombus. Further, we will discuss about important term related to polygons. Each exterior angle in a regular polygon is equal to 360 divided by number of sides, and each anterior angle of a regular polygon is equal to 180 degree minus each exterior angle. Number of diagonals in a polygon of n sides is equal to n multiply n minus 3 over 2. sum of all exterior angles of a convex polygon is equal to 360 degree. And sum of all interior angles of a convex polygon is equal to 2 multiplied number of sides minus 4 multiplied by 90.